identifying online behavior. So that's our objective for today. Tindihan? Hello? Uy, nauya kayo sa practice ng mass dance nyo? Ang bakit ako na ako mag-react dito. Okay, so before we start our lesson, quick question lang. So give an example lang. Think of a time you shared your personal information online, like your phone number, a photo, or school document. So how did it feel? What risks have been involved in what steps could you take to protect your data or information? Sample, you give you 30 seconds para mag-isip-isip. Give an example lang. Mapili ko sa mag-example lang. I-mail nyo sa sarili nyo. Pangalan ko na si Pano yung isip. Okay, Clam. Ay gabi ko live. Sample. So, i-share mo sa Bigo Live information. Like what? Kung gabi ko live ka mo, ano mo sumuling na-share nyo online?
Lang buhay sa kasanawang mga WhatsApp number.
Kapangalan sa?
WhatsApp number, sir.
Sige. WhatsApp number. Sige daw. Sample lang, sample.
Ano galing, sir?
Try po i-share yung mga WhatsApp number online. So, how did it feel? May risk ba nga naisip ka matabo? Wala pa? For example, i-share mo phone number mo online, ano feeling?
Oo, sir. Kaya ko na-scam na gamit ko.
Or for example, a picture. For example, an awkward na picture. Ano feeling?
Ay, wala ka.
So, what are the risks? Most commonly matabo? For example, save isang friend mo. Anong risk nito? Tadlawan ka, di ba? Kung ikat-pa-design sa mga GC. So, what are the steps would you take to protect your information? Ano yung buwan mo?
I-share.
Ma-share ka paliwan, hindi na.
Hindi na.
Kaya nga kaman, tudod ka na.
Ako, sir.
So, there's sometimes, di ba? May mga risk kami na imuhan dahil hindi ka palang balaan. So, like your phone number, yung palang din mo na share. A picture. Ano pa? School document. So, damo-damo mga data share online, kita ba lang may risk na matako? So, that is the number one. Main one of data privacy. So, today, let us discuss the data ethical considerations. So, but first, let us define what is data privacy. What do you mean by data?
All name and address, phone number and account password, and login credentials, photos, videos, and messages, bank data, and online portal, scholar reports, and more.
What do you mean by data privacy? So what do you mean by data privacy? So